We chose Ivalua because it checked the most boxes. My name is Ben Lizak. I'm the manager of Sourcing Lifecycle Management and Sprint Procurement. And our team oversees a variety of functions in support of our 80-plus sourcing resources. We work on improving the sourcing and contracting processes. And we're also super users of Ivalua's sourcing functionality, so we help configure many RFXs in accordance with best practices, and we administer all the eAuctions that we perform. One of the major challenges we faced was the way that we managed projects in our prior eSourcing platform, which didn't really reflect our underlying processes. We were conducting eAuctions in that same tool, but we were also experiencing scalability issues when it had a lot of line items and bidders. The eAuctions were actually shutting down in the middle of the event, so obviously that was a problem. And lastly, there were some limitations in that system's eRFX capabilities. Our main goal was to find one platform that would improve upon the existing functionality that we had in our prior system as it relates to project management and eSourcing, but then also give us the capabilities that we were anxious to explore, like spend analytics, contract management, and supplier relationship management. We bought an Ivalua suite that includes supplier management, projects, sourcing, contracts, analytics, and supplier relationship management. We chose Ivalua because it checked the most boxes. It had the greatest customization, greater functionality in the RFX space with conditional questions and customizable price tables, for example. Greater capabilities in the eAuction space with the inclusion of contemporaneous bidding. And then it had a lot of potential for contract management and spend analytics. Plus it's very well regarded in the procurement world. We've been able to put together a pipeline view and automate our sourcing calendar, which has given us the ability to do better planning, resource allocation, and to manage our savings against target. We're also using the tool as our front door for our business owners with project request functionality. And now we can measure cycle times fairly accurately and better set expectations with our business units and also identify bottlenecks in our processes. I would say if I had to advise somebody that was headed into an implementation to use a third-party consultant, especially if you're going to be making a lot of customizations, you need to be able to understand the downstream implications of changes to the off-the-shelf functionality. If you change something in one module, how is that going to impact other modules? And then to achieve widespread adoption, the perception of the value that you're getting out of the tool has to exceed the hassle to the user. So make sure you tell that story over and over again. The user should want to go in there and use the tool because it makes them more effective. They shouldn't dread getting in there.